Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best wood polish is probably one of the most underappreciated tools in any woodworker's arsenal. Today, we're diving deep into the world of wood polishing compounds, exploring how they can transform dull, worn wood into a stunning, lustrous finish. We'll cover everything from the different types of compounds to the best application techniques, so you can achieve professional-looking results right in your own workshop. Number 5. Howard FW0016 Wood Polish and Conditioner. This product polishes all wood surfaces to a soft luster. It has a protective coating of carnauba wax and beeswax. It helps to keep your wood looking its best. The product introduces conditioning oils that feed the wood. This helps keep it from drying and fading. It's like a spa treatment for your furniture. It enhances the natural beauty and depth of grain in finished and unfinished wood. It brings out the best in your wood surfaces. You'll love the way it looks. It's perfect for antiques, dining tables, kitchen cabinets, and more. This product is versatile and easy to use. It's a great way to protect your investment. This product helps to prevent further drying of the wood and deterioration of the finish. It contains no silicone or linseed oils. It's a safe and effective choice. It's the perfect follow-up to Restor-A-Finish to maintain the newly restored wood finish. It will keep your wood looking great for years to come. Give it a try today. What we like. This wood polish and conditioner creates a protective layer with carnauba wax and beeswax. It also introduces conditioning oils that feed the wood. If you have antiques or wooden furniture that needs some love and care, this product is perfect for you. It will help to prevent further drying and deterioration, keeping your wood looking its best. What people say. My cabinets look awesome, not saying the deep clean and the stain did not play a part, but the holy grail of it all was once I did my first coat with this, let it sit in for a while then polished off. It's easy to apply, dries quick and the results are beyond amazing. Revives dull scratched wood and other porous pieces. Smells terrific too. This wood polish has a thick, grainy mushy texture that spreads easily, and clings well to surfaces, and it penetrates into the wood without running. Number 4. Chemical Guys V-Line Polish and Compound Kit. This kit has everything you need for a perfect finish, from heavy-duty compounds to light polishes. It's designed to give your vehicle a flawless look. This kit is your all-in-one solution. Easily remove scratches and swirl marks. The V32 and V34 compounds are designed to tackle even the toughest imperfections. It will make your car look brand new. Use the V36 and V38 polishes to refine gloss and clarity. This is perfect for newer cars or after compounding. It will bring out the best shine. This kit features micro-abrasive technology for precision and clarity. It ensures a high-quality restoration. You'll see the difference immediately. What you see is what you get with this kit. It's formulated without fillers, ensuring genuine and lasting results. The results are long-lasting and effective. What we like. This kit is an all-in-one solution for light to heavy scratches. It effectively tackles imperfections and enhances shine. If you are looking to restore the finish on your car, truck, or motorcycle, this kit provides everything you need for a flawless, lasting result. You'll love how it brings back the original luster. What people say. Chemical Guys recommended using the lightest grit first to reduce how much paint gets removed. It worked so much better than the McG product. I used this product to shine up CA glue finish and resin castings. I had similar results to my experience with the truck. It worked so much better than the McG product. It really reduced my sanding time. Number 3. Therapy Wood Polish Bundle with Microfiber. This bundle includes a 16 ounces wood cleaner and polish and a premium microfiber cloth. It's everything you need to keep your wood furniture looking its best. This product is safe for a variety of wood surfaces, including cabinets, antiques, tables, and chairs. You can use it on almost any wooden item in your home. The formula is easy to apply and wipes away grease and grime. It restores the original wood finish with a simple wipe. This product is free of beeswax and orange oils, so it won't leave behind any sticky residue. It provides a clean and smooth finish. It's an effective wood cabinet cleaner and conditioner that restores dull surfaces. It will bring your cabinets back to life. Our formula excels in cleaning wood furniture, effectively removing dust and grime. It preserves the natural beauty and finish of your furniture. What we like. This bundle includes a cleaner and polish, plus a microfiber cloth. It is safe for various wood surfaces and leaves no sticky residue. If you like a simple, effective solution for cleaning and restoring your wood furniture, this is the perfect choice. It revitalizes dull surfaces and preserves the natural beauty of your wood. What people say. The dry spots that looked like the finish was coming off pretty much just disappeared, as if they'd never been there. The therapy wood polish absolutely conditions the wood as well as cleans, and it leaves a subtle shine. This product has for the most part brought it back to life, with a nice satin sheet and a pleasant smell. Number 2. SCOTTCHEN 3-pack Buffing Polishing Cutting Compounds 4 ounces Kit. This kit is designed to help you achieve a smooth and mirror finish on a variety of surfaces. It's perfect for handling most kinds of projects, leaving your items looking their best. These compounds are ideal for polishing metals. You can use it on stainless steel, iron, aluminum alloy, brass, bronze, copper, silver, and gold. Applying the compound is simple. Just turn a buffing wheel on a grinder, motor, or drill and lightly press the compound against the wheel. The heat and friction will transfer it effectively. The bars are color-coded for easy identification. Red is coarse, white is fine, and green is superfine, allowing you to easily choose the right compound for the job. Each bar measures 2 to 3/8 inch x 7/8 x 5/8 and weighs 35 g. They are made of aluminum oxide and come in a 3-pack, providing you with everything you need. What we like. This kit is designed to achieve a smooth, mirror finish on various metal surfaces. The color-coded bars make it easy to identify the different grits. If you are working on metal polishing projects, this kit will help you achieve professional-looking results. It's ideal for stainless steel, aluminum, and more. What people say. Great value, works very well. You can polish your stuffs to mirror quality. It works great. Number 1. Howard Restor-A-Shine Wood Polish. This polish is specially formulated with micro-polishing powders and select waxes. It revives the high-gloss shine on wood finishes. It is the ideal wood furniture polish. Safely eliminate fine scratches, oxidation, dullness, and haze from glossy wood surfaces. This polish will make your furniture look brand new. It is ideal for glossy finishes like polyurethane, lacquer, varnish, and shellac. You can use it on furniture, pianos, floors, and guitars. Use it to clean and shine. The creamy formula eliminates steel wool swirl marks and most other minor surface blemishes. It will restore the finish for your wood. The creamy formula can be used with a cloth or an electric buffer. It is especially effective when used on floors. It is easy to use. What we like. This wood polisher is specially formulated to revive the high-gloss shine on wood finishes. It safely eliminates scratches and dullness. If you like a product that can be used on furniture, floors, and guitars, this is a great option. It's easy to apply and will restore the original beauty of your wood surfaces. What people say. It works perfectly to remove light surface scratches in polyurethane or other wood finishes. Howard polishing compound exceeded my expectations. I was able to buff out every blemish, leaving the tabletop looking like new. It buffs out scratches but doesn't leave any telltale signs, even when it needed a second or third application. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.